In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to invite friends in NBA 2K26. So I'm on Xbox, my friends are on PlayStation 5. Here's what you need to do. You are going to head into the squad finder and you'll need to set some specific settings. Now they don't have to be these exact ones, but here's what worked for us. We set squad size to 2, playstyle fundamentals, microphone status to no microphone, and performance range to casual hopper. Now here's the important part. Your friend on the opposite console has to put in the same exact settings. So if you're on Xbox and they are on PlayStation, make sure they also set fundamentals, no microphone and casual hopper. Once that's done, hit find squad. It will match you into the same squad almost instantly. After you are in, you'll see your friend right there with you. At that point they can invite others who are on their console and you can invite people on yours. Now here's the catch, you still can't add crossplay friends directly. That part is still broken. So this is basically the best workaround right now. A quick reminder, open squad finder, set the same squad requirements, search at the same time and you will be linked up. If you have got a bunch of Xbox friends, invite them through Xbox. If your friends are on PlayStation, they can do the same on their end. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and like this video. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.